I am Sweta Patil from KLS VDIT 3rd Sem Computer Science.
I am Tuba Miraj from KLS VDIT Computer Science Department, 3rd Sem.
Hello everyone, I am Megha Biradar studying in KLS VDIT from Computer Science Department and 3rd semester.
Hello everyone, I am Srishti Erlimat studying in KLS VDIT from Computer Science Department and from 3rd semester.
I am Amina Sheikh studying in KLS VDIT from Computer Science Department.
Silbatta. It is a wet grinder for Indian households used for making wet pastes, masalas and chutneys. It is a flat stone slab known as sil which is used to make it rough to aid grinding. Batta is a cylindrical stone with which the grinding is done. Herbs are placed on sil and grinded with the help of batta, which is held in hands and pushed to and fro movements to paste grinding process. Some people swear by the earthiness it brings to chutneys and masalas for making curries.
Churner, the old school muddler of Indian homes, originally made with wood with long handle and circular base, with caps wide enough for air to circulate that fuzzy frothy lassi. Additionally, use it for churning buttermilk, muddling lentils, soups to thicken it. It comes in various sizes for varied uses. One can find a sparkling stainless steel, various nowadays with a reverse push action.
Kal chatti is also known as stone pot. It is one of the old Kerala kitchen utensils. Kal means stone and chatti means a pot to cook in. A pot is carved out of type of metamorphic rock commonly known as the soapstone. However, season it with hot rice water for a few days before using it for regularly cooking. This is done to avoid the pot from cracking on fire. Kal chatti adds on additional flavor to sambar, avial, fish curries, etc.
Coconut scraper, more common in South Indian households. A coconut scraper is definitely an appliance of utility which is must have in all kitchens. This uniquely designed contraption grates the insides of coconut with ease without struggling to shell out. For instance, it has circular blade which does the scraping process. One can choose from the mechanical or the manual option depending on the requirement.
Traditional food and nutritions. Traditional food and nutritions have a long history of supporting health and wellness. Indeed, this food have been consumed for thousands of years. Traditional food are simply prepared and basic for vegetables, foods to do meat, poultry and fishing.
Ragi Mudde. Ragi Mudde is a nutrition and healthy Karnataka dish made from ragi flour. This dish is typically served with a sambar and spicy lentil curry. This ragi flour is cooked with water to form a dough-like consistency and rolled into a balls. Lentils and legumes. Lentils and legumes are rich source of protein and used in variety of Karnataka dishes, especially vegetarian ones. Commonly used lentils used are urad dal, chana dal, tur dal and moong dal. Legumes like chickpeas and black-eyed peas are also used as dishes like chana masala and avrikalu masala. Roti is a flaky and delicious Karnataka dessert made from refined flour ghee and sugar. This dessert is typically served during festivals and special occasions.
Rice is a staple ingredient in Karnataka's famous food, from idlis to biryanis. Rice is used in a variety of dishes. Basmati rice is typically used in pulao and biryani dishes, while parboiled rice is used in idlis and dosas. Rice is also used in desserts like a paisam and a sweet rice pudding. Karnataka's famous food, also known as South Indian cuisine, is a culinary adventure that is sure to excite your taste buds. This cuisine is renowned for its rich blend of flavors and spices, which can be found in popular dishes such as the masala dosa, idli, and bisi-belebath. In this article, we will take you on a journey through the unique and delicious world of Karnataka's famous food. From its cultural significance to its health benefits, we will explore every aspect of this cuisine, including where to find authentic Karnataka food and tips for cooking it at home.